Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe which I usually prepare at home with potatoes. So I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic mashed potatoes. It's a very simple and easy recipe that you can easily make at home. For the ingredients, I'm going to be using some Irish potatoes, meat broth. You can use either chicken or beef, so I'm using beef. Then I have here some cream cheese, milk, butter, black pepper and salt, and some peeled garlic. I have some fresh chives for garnishing. To make your garlic mashed potatoes, start by peeling your potatoes. I'm just going to rinse the potatoes until the water turns out clear. After rinsing this a few times, I'm just going to cut the potatoes into smaller cubes to make it easy for it to cook. Potatoes are nicely diced. Now I'm going to transfer this into a pot. Okay, just because I'm going to be using a rich broth, there's no need to add salt to this. You can just add a little salt to taste. So I'm going to be adding about 3 cups of broth just to cover the potatoes. Before I bring this to a boil, I'm going to add in the garlic. Now I'm going to switch on the heat and allow the potatoes to cook until they are soft. Okay, after 15 minutes, check your potatoes if they are soft. So I'm just going to test this. They are really soft, so I'm going to turn off heat. Next, I'm going to strain the potatoes. The potatoes have absorbed all the flavor of the stock, so you can get rid of the stock. Right. While the potatoes are still hot, I'm going to mash this. You can use a potato masher. An easy way for me to mash this is to leave this in a strainer. It has some tiny holes, so I'm just going to mash this into this bowl. Once done, I'm just going to use a fork to scrape the bottom of the strainer to remove all the potatoes. They are nicely mashed and there's no lump. I'm going to add half cup of butter. I'm going to add in half cup of cream cheese, half glass of milk. You can add in heavy cream or buttermilk if you want. So I'm going to just mix everything until it combines. You can chop in some fresh chives. Once you're sure everything is well combined, you can just add in your freshly chopped chives. Okay, once you're done, I'm just going to place this in the oven for 10 minutes for it to heat up a little bit. However, you can just microwave this and allow it to heat up. I just brought this out of the oven. This is warm, so I'm going to serve this right away. I'm just spreading this out a little bit to give it a nice shape. Once done, I'm going to garnish this with black pepper. I'm going to garnish this with freshly chopped chives. And your garlic mashed potato is ready. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is how I make my garlic mashed potatoes. I hope you loved this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and also share this with your friends. Until next time, see you shortly. Bye.